This is honestly every 20 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tyra. For today's video, I'm doing a ninja bun. It is really simple. Anyone can do it. Like, my technique is just, it's bomb. Before I start, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you won't miss a video, and give this video a like. Let's try to get to 2,000 likes. I think we can do it. So now let's just get into the tutorial. I'm starting off on stretched hair. This is an old blowout. It's pretty crusty, but it's perfect for doing a bun. I also do this on like an old braid out, an old twist out. Just do it on old stretched hair. We're just going to begin by brushing all of our hair to the back. This is a much better angle. Once all your hair is brushed back, you want to spray it with some type of water. I don't know where my water bottle is right now, so I'm using my main choice spray. Y'all know I love this spray. If you watched my puff tutorial, you've seen it in that. But I'm gonna just spray this on the perimeter. Once that's worked through, you want to spray the back also. Wow, I had a random bobby pin in my hair. That's how you know I have a lot of hair, because stuff just gets lost in my hair. If I have a lot of hair, I like to tie it at the top just so it's easier to tie it for real when it's time to do the base. It looks crazy, but it helps. And as that's, I'm taking some Eco Styler gel and I'm just gonna gel the perimeter of my hair. And I'm just gonna brush the gel through. And you just wanna gather your hair to the top. And I'm just gonna tie it again. This is honestly as good as I'm gonna get. So now you just wanna take off the band. Before I do the bun, I'm gonna do my edges first. So, taking some more Eco Styler gel. And now that our edges are all done, I'm just gonna take some foaming mousse. Now taking a scarf, I'm just gonna tie this up so it can lay. Now moving on to the bun, what you want to do is split it into 3 sections. Once you have your first section, you want to take it. You can twist it if you want. Twist it a little bit. And this is going to be your first tier. So you're going to wrap this around. Once that's wrapped around, you want to secure with a bobby pin. Now that you have your base, you want to take another section. And you want to do the same thing. So you want to build. So what you want to do is build on top of this. Take it, twist it. Move this out the way. And now with your last section, you want to just repeat it. Okay, I feel like my hair is set, so I'm just gonna take this scarf off. And there you have it, a ninja bun. Can't even fit in the whole screen. Yeah, so basically what you have going on is 3 buns on top of each other. You have this one, and this one. Super easy. I hope this helped, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And if you want to see how I get my ninja bun on non-stretched hair, let me know in the comments, because I can do that as well. It's a different technique, but you know, it's still a ninja bun. It's still cute, so let me know if you want to see that. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye. Okay, it's done.